Here's your February market update in 2 minutes or less. The January numbers were in and there were about 3,000 homes that sold last month, which is down by about 20% compared to January of last year. At the same time, listings are up by about 8% year over year, and we currently have around 17,000 opportunities for you to purchase in the GTA, and that pushes us more into buyer's market territory as we currently have about 6 months of inventory. So that means if you're a buyer in today's market, you have less pressure, less competition, more to choose from, and ultimately more affordability as well. That said, the average price in the GTA right now is sitting at about $973,000, which is down from last year. Typically, we see this number over 1 million. Now, remember, these are big picture GTA averages. It varies depending on where the property is located for sale. Just last week, I had an open house in a condo with many motivated buyers coming through. So the buyers are definitely still out there. The Bank of Canada also met last month and did not raise interest rates, and keeping them steady is going to improve predictability and renew consumer confidence. So we could be looking at a busier second half of the year. The condo market is still adjusting. Sales were unfortunately down by 26%, and the average price point is sitting at just around $604,000. The reason that this is likely so low, however, is there have been a lot of sales in the $400,000 and $500,000 range, as we're now seeing even downtown core one bedrooms going under $500,000, which used to be unheard of. We are expecting about 20,000 new condos to come to the market this year alone, which is going to create some interesting opportunities for investors and buyers. So overall, we're in a pretty balanced market. However, real estate is so hyper local. If you have a freehold home or a bigger condo in certain areas, those are still going to fly, especially if they are turnkey. If you have specific goals, I'd be more than happy to chat with you about your options. Feel free to reach out.